Hello, it's Alex and I'm here today with my dad, Alan.
And it's time for Alan's inspection.
It's inspection. Well, Dad was going to have a go at helping me change the UJ on this prop shaft, but Lyndon's circlip pliers are falling apart.
And they're buckled crap as well.
Quality. My dad's just smashing this up.
Wreck-It Ralph today.
The circlip in there is just falling apart, so now we got to try and smash it out of there. So one of the circlips came out happily, but two of them haven't, and Dad's just doing the fourth one now.
He says.
Trying.
Famous last words.
Pressure, now the camera's on.
See if we can get it out of there. Beads of sweat, stubble.
Oh, that vice-like grip. Alan the Ratchet.
So, hear the music to Thunderbirds. Ba, 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 da, da, da.
Oh dear.
Royal pain in the backside.
Thunderbirds aren't go.
Thunderbirds are definitely stuck with this piece of shit.
Wow.
You've got to get all that crap out of there.
Why do they make it so awkward?
Huh?
Why do they make it so awkward?
Well, it's just highly stressful part of the car, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's under a lot of torque.
Oof. Oh, he did it.
That's that one out.
Wow. That was savage. I'm glad I didn't try and do this on my own.
Cup out of there.
There it is. Wow. Smashed to pieces.
I smashed to pieces. Right, so now what we've got to do is try and get these
Other two bits up.
two bits out that are snapped off.
Oof.
So we're cutting the damn thing off.
Wow. That's
So that's
savage.
one end of it done. Lyndon's borrowing the grinder, so we'll use that again in a minute and cut the other side off.
Oh my god.
And then all we've got to do is hammer the cups out. That'll be fun.
Wow. Savage.
Yeah, it's been on there a while, I think.
I left Dad to it. That was getting far too aggressive with the grinder out. So I've been doing some little jobs on the Land Rover. These wing mirrors are really floppy because the mirrors are screwed onto this bracket, and this bracket is bolted on, sorry about the wind noise, bolted on via the door hinge. So you basically have to take the door off its hinge to get the mirror off. I've been putting it off for ages, so I've just done them, both of them. Both of them. Tightened them up, put some anti-rattle, because that's the thing, they should rattle themselves loose, these Land Rovers. I put some anti-rattle washers on. Tidied up the back a little bit. Oh, I missed a cobweb. Bugger. Yeah, tied up the back a little bit. Yeah, just make sure it's alright because Dad's looking after it. So I want to make sure it's good for my dad. Lyndon is just welding up some little holes that were in my wing. We're not allowed to look at the weld. So that's the holes welded up. They just need to be grinded down and a bit of filler to make it all smooth, and then it can be sanded down and painted. There we are. That's the weld all ground down. So that just means the wing is full of metal instead of holes. I'll just need a skim of filler just to tidy it up and make it nice and smooth. Wow. I love that you're getting all the sparks on the flammable paper there.
Yeah, that's it. Nothing wrong with a bit of a fire. Moving through.
I feel like this should be, this is how not to do a UG.
It is how not to do a UG.
Savage.
I feel like I'm missing much not doing them.
Pain in the arse when they're like that.
Dad's now cleaning out the holes where the new cups will go into. Lyndon's making a lot of noise. That's it. And here's the nice new yoke, or the universal joint. And there's the new circlips there as well. Different design to the old one, but they do the same job.
Now this is the bit that we need to get right. Otherwise it's going to be a...
You can't swear.
Oh yeah.
I'll edit it out. A big boop.
Still.
Right, in there is all the new little needle bearings.
Don't put too much of that on there
No.
because the gap is very small.
Someone said that you mustn't put too much in with the needle bearings either.
No, that's right, they're already greased up anyway.
They're greased enough, are they? How are they held in? Just by this rubber seal?
Yeah, pretty much. Now the important bit is that you've got to get the yoke to line up. No, don't worry. What's going on there?
Oh shit. I'm shitting now.
You're swearing now.
Yeah. Shit's allowed, isn't it?
So there's something to look for when you're putting it in. You want to put it in straight. So you don't put it in straight, it goes off centre. You see?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to tap that in there. Tap that in. And tap this one in.
Now I know why Lyndon didn't want to try it.
Imagine me doing that.
See, Dad's using the vice to push the cups in.
This is where I usually break the vase.
Oh dear. Oh well, it's not your vice. This is why it's handy to use a press when doing the UJs.
That side in. This side's proving to be
Awkward.
bleeding awkward.
It's going in
There it
though.
goes. That's it. That's better.
Wow. Oh. Blimey. Your Dad's using an old cup to push in the new cup in with the vice as a press. That felt good. No, Lyndon's making a noise again. Oh, he's done it.
There we go.
Let's
UJ all put together with less
Oh,
than
that
adequate
moves
tools.
lovely. Let's see, the circlips are in there. Yeah.
Yeah, there they are.
Did they put up a fight?
Of course.
I did hear some twanging.
Yep, of course. Plenty of twanging. Just going to make an adjustment to that one that was pushed up.
Yeah. Cool. Well done, Dad. Thank you. And thanks for watching. Bye. Say goodbye, Dad.
Bye.